Hello, beautiful people. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Apart from that, at work, it was quite chillax day. No work at all. Delegation भाई तुमने नहीं किया इसीलिए ये नहीं हो सकता वाला दिन था आज। तो आज का वैसे ही गया। काफ़ी आराम से बैठे हुए हैं, नेटफ्लिक्स देख रहे हैं, चिल मार रहे हैं। I don't know. I have this gist you know, or you can say a kida or something which you like to do. I want to speak. I want to express myself in front of currently I'm doing in front of camera, but I also want to express my opinions or I want to motivate people with my words of wisdom. If I can do that, if I can help somebody to if I even with my words and with my with my approach, if I can motivate at least 1% of the people, I really want to do that. That's my passion, or I feel that that's my actual calling. But I'm still not aware about the right platform that how I can start doing it. Still trying to figure it out. So this is like one of the medium in which I'm trying to interact and I want to express my feelings and opinion, like what I do in a day and what I really feel. So something which is in my heart, and I want to put it out in words. So like that is my feel. That is my calling. It like like if for example, if from the schooling college that I have done. For the brief information, I have done my engineering in electronics and telecommunication from RC from here in Bilai, from Rungta College, and this is a personal experience. So in our placement, what used to happen is that one company used to call, and that is called as TCS, the big name. And if you get placed in TCS, your life is sorted. That was our feeling, or that was our understanding at that time. If you get placed in TCS, your life is sorted. You are done. Your engineering is successful, was successful. But if you are not placed, if you didn't get placed in TCS, then that's a big problem for you. Uh, so I was very confident कि मेरा तो हो जाएगा, but somehow it didn't happen to me. And at that time I realized, what next? I mean, what should I do now? I was not having any kind of idea, and I feel that this might be happening to a lot of students right now over here in Bhilai. uh, and I want to tell them that that's not the end of the world actually. So what's happened is that I didn't get placed in TCS. I did not get placed in any of the following companies which college called. At the last, there was a mega campus in which I got placed in one of the company called Ortel, and surprisingly, I was not a software developer over there. I was a salesperson. So my job was to actually sell the internet. So I am that guy, you know, who has also gone from door to door to people's house selling the internet plan at that time. And I was doing it because I did not have any understanding, or I didn't know where I wanted to go. At the same time, I was studying for the banking and POs and all, but I was not heading anywhere in my life. So I was just earning 10,000. All of my good friends were placed in TCS. They all had a kind of clear roadmap in their life, like where they are heading to. But I was like very confused and I was very scared at that time. Luckily, at that time, my brother told me about CDAC. Now that's something which many of my friends actually didn't knew about it. Even I didn't knew about when I was doing my college. And then I did my CDAC. I gave the exam. I got selected. And then when I reached over there, when I did my CDAC, I realized that okay, bro, TCS is not just the only company. There are like 100 companies which are available, which the student over there in RCET Bhilai doesn't know about it, because there is no one to tell them that this is actually not the end of the world. There are a lot of good companies which are actually waiting for you, which are there in the market, but they won't have the knowledge of that, how they can reach to those companies. So luckily for me, I did my CDAC, and then I got placed in one of the very good company. And after reaching over there, I realized, I actually thank God that, whew, thank God I didn't got placed in TCS, because then I don't know what I like. I would not have been a developer. I could like I might have been a developer, or I would have been a tester or something. But the exposure that I got from working in the firm with which where I got placed to CDAC, I don't think so that I would have got the same experience in TCS. And that is something which I want to tell to the people, or the the students over here in engineering background doing their engineering, who are like me, who don't have who don't get placed in a good company, and then they feel lost. So I want to do something like that, where I can inspire them or tell them like that is not the actual end. There is more to life than that. So that is my calling, that is my passion, and that is something I want to go forward for. I know that for you guys also it can be something else. For some, it can be cooking. They are the good chef. They really cook delicious foods, and somehow in the chaos of the life, we sometimes forget our calling. But the humble request would be to try to give it a shot, during their leisure time, if they can try to give a shot and try to do something, or if they can come up with an idea to start anything on their own. Like it can be for someone who is doing cooking, they can do they can try to think of setting up a cloud kitchen or something like that. Who is a singer, they can start singing and posting songs on the Instagram and reach to the wider audience. So there are a lot of things apart from apart from the daily hustle that we do. I will ask the people to do five to at least spend 1% of your daytime in doing the thing which is your actual call, and that will give you happiness, and that's important. So enough of the gyan today, and just wanted to say all these things. So thought to express it out. I hope you guys are doing fine, and with that, let's end the video. So okay, take care, people. Peace.